Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, provided that you have Google account or your Gmail account, I'm going to show you on how to fix all Google password manager in a few minutes, such as password compromise, reuse password, weak password, as the case may be, on your Google account or your Chrome browser or on your Gmail app without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to exit from the screen right here. And here, you can as well do this from your Chrome browser or from your Gmail account or your Google browser, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and open up your Google account or Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chrome browser right here. You can as well do it from your phone settings. Okay, having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to click on this plus sign here to create a new tab. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon, and then click on the profile icon, and then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do here is to simply scroll down right here, proceed to password, Google Password Manager right here. Go ahead and click on Google Password Manager, and then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Checkup right here. Click on Checkup, and then boom, it's going to take you right here. So if you have any password compromise, it's going to be given you right here. If you have any reused password, it's going to give you right here and the number of reused password you have. And if you have a weak password, it's going to state right here with the number of weak password you have. However, in this video here, I have a one password compromise right here. Go ahead and open up. Then you see the particular website or apps that had a one password compromise. All you have to do is to make sure you visit the site and then make sure you change the account password. After you successfully change the account password, refresh your password check right here, and then you find out that the problem is going to be solved. It's that simple. Then that is for compromised password. Then for the use password right here, you can go ahead and open up. Then you see all the websites or apps you have been using the same password all and all in this regard right here. So all you can do right here is to go ahead and change the password one after the other in order to secure some of the accounts, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see many passwords that you have been reused often and often in this regard. That is for reuse password. Go ahead and change as many as possible password to fix the problem in a single click. What applicable to reuse password? Go back to the password manager, my checkup right here. So what applicable to reuse password is different from what applicable to weak password. Open up your weak password. Weak password are the password that can easily be cracked by anyone. All you have to do right here is to make sure you refill them and change some of the password right here in order to make some of the accounts more strong and effective. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about password and password security manager like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.